it's Frankie Gaming, and today we're gonna be doing a YouTube video of a Subway Surfs hack. So I'm gonna be talking about how to get this hack on another video. So yeah, so these are all the boards that you get with this hack and all these characters. They're super cool. So I'm gonna be playing a game. Oh, what the heck? What the? Guys, sorry, we're having technical difficulties right here. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna be playing the game. So here we go. Let's go. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I'll be posting tomorrow as well. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot. It's because I've been playing a lot of Fortnite, buying a lot of cameras. Sorry if I laugh right there, because I'm choking on a candy. Alright, let's do this. My character is running slow right now. Go fast! Dang, I wasted my board. Let's go. Guys, you have unlimited coins and unlimited keys if you die. So look, I'm gonna die right here. And you have so many keys. Let's go. Guys, if you want to play with me on PS4, it is ZMachine12. And if it doesn't show up, it is Frankie Gaming _YT. And guys, go subscribe to my cousin's channel. She barely started YouTube today and she has no subscribers. We'll try to get her to 10 or 5 subscribers. The link will be in the description below. So we have a lot of channels. So probably tomorrow, me and my cousin, her channel is Brianna's World. So me and her are probably gonna do a YouTube video tomorrow of a Q&A. So I'm gonna be posting. She's gonna be posting questions of her on Instagram. So guys, I don't play on the Facebook thing, because then they're gonna think I'm a hacker, or I am. I did hack the Subway Surf, so I'm not gonna lie, I did. But I don't play on the Facebook thing, because then they're gonna get my account banned and stuff. And I don't even like Facebook. Sorry for those people that like Facebook. Facebook sucks for me. That's my opinion. So let's go. Alright, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget, once again, like this video. Go subscribe. Go turn on those post notifications. And tell your friends. Peace.